IDF students, the wait is finally over. Meritor's marathon is live now, and you can start solving these IB questions as soon as you want to. Now, what is Meritor's marathon? For those who are new, it is a set of 3000 plus high yield questions from previous year papers. They are modified in a specific way so that you can learn them better and understand them better. They have some amazing explanations and video explanations to be able to help you eliminate options and solve your doubts with very fundamental knowledge. In case if you have not registered for marathon, it is a very simple 1 minute process. Just click on the link below and it will take you to a page where you can quickly register and start solving this nationwide program. This is a very important set of questions that you cannot miss in your NEET MDS 2026 preparation, and I really want you to give it a try. For those who have started solving marathon, don't forget to bookmark important questions which will help you in revision later. If you have any questions, just reach out to us and we'll be there to help you. Thank you and all the best.